we all understood the importance of education in human capital formation. Educated individual is not only a asset for country's development, but also education increases national income and other cultural richness. So in every aspect, education is one of the fundamental factors of development. It not only raises people's productivity but promote entrepreneurship and technological advancement. Hence, the government invested substantially every year on education. To increase literacy rate among the citizens, the government had taken initiative in many programs. In this respect, the government program or RTE is the most important. The right of education provides children a free and compulsory education. This act is enacted on 4th of August 2009. The main objective of RTE or Right to Education is to ensure that each child in India aged between 6 to 12 years receives quality elementary education irrespective of their economic or caste background. This act had made India one of the 35 countries in the world to have made education a fundamental right for every child. Under this program, no child is liable to pay fees or any other charges that may prevent him or her from pursuing and completing elementary education. Free education also includes the provisions of textbook, uniform, stationery items, and other educational material for children with disabilities in order to reduce the burden of school expenses. Sarva Siksha Abhiyan or SSA is another important step taken by the government for universal elementary education. This program is also an attempt to provide an opportunity for improving human capabilities to all children, though provision of community owned quality education. The main aim of Sarva Siksha Abhiyan is to provide useful and elementary education for all children in the 6 to 14 years group. It is aimed to bridge social regional gap with the active participation of community in the management. Midday meal is another ambitious program launched by Government of India. Under this program, the school children have provided the food in the schools. It is provided to increase the literacy rate in our country and to reduce poverty and cases of dropout in the country. It is also provide education to the poor children families who are below the poverty line. Hence, the midday meal scheme has positive impact on children, solving multiple issues like hunger, poverty, illiteracy, and child labor. Thank you.